Hey guys, and welcome to the Jorie hair channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to attach beads to box braids and locks, and you can also do these to any other protective styles. I am going to be using the latch hook tool and also the beader tool, but you can use either or. Look at these fabulous beads. You can also get different beads on my website. I'm doing a shameless plug. I have different types of beads there. I think the first one is desert sand. This next one is printed white beads. And then these are one of my favorite. They're golden round beads and Mystic Africa. I will be using the Mystic Africa beads today. And these are other beads that I have as well. You are going to need a beader for this tutorial or a latch hook. You can use either or. I personally prefer a beader as you can add more beads to it, more than the latch hook. And you are going to need rubber bands. You can use black rubber bands, transparent rubber bands, whichever rubber bands you would like. And you are also going to need your trusty scissors, nice and sharp. I made some quick box braids for this tutorial, but they will do for this demonstration. They're not the neatest, but they will do. Now, get your beader tool and try and pinch it straight so it's easy for the beads to fit on top. Put the beads that you want at the bottom first and just arrange it however way you like. I am just adding random beads however way I want, but literally you need to remember to leave a little bit of space at the top so that you can actually fit your box braids through, or your twist or your locks, whichever one. Just adding this last one here, and there we go. I will advise that you get your rubber bands ready at this step. It's just easier to do at this step rather than waiting later. So you get 2 rubber bands. You can double up or you can opt to go for a single rubber band. Then I put my thumb and index finger through to pull my braid and pull it through the hole of the beader. Then you have to just move the beader a bit further down, as it's easier to pull through that way than it is to go through the top, as it is thicker. And then just pull it through and pull the ends. So I want to secure it. I fold the hair upwards and then secure it using the rubber bands that I had on my fingers earlier. And you can just loop it as many times as you want to make sure it's secure and won't come out. Now you are going to get your scissors and just snip off the ends. Be careful where you snip, as you don't want your braids to actually be different lengths. And also, if this is your natural hair, also be wary of that as well. So you might not want to snip that off. You might just try and fold it where you can. So this is me using the beader now. Sorry, not the beader, the latch hook. You can't fit as much beads in that as you would with the beader, but now I need to get my rubber bands to seal the end. And there you go. These are all the different beads. With other styles, it can be different, such as faux locks, crochet faux locks. What I am doing right now is actually trying to pull the hair through the beads through the middle. That doesn't normally work, as it can be thick, and also it can unravel the hair and make it a bit more frizzy than it is. So instead, what you're going to do is get the end of the hair. So that's what I'm doing here, and putting it through the beader and then pulling the beads through, and it stays. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.